Let's talk about how to control your wealth. First, we'll start with your income. You probably receive money from either your job, or maybe you're a business owner, or you're retired and you receive a pension. You may be lucky to get an inheritance. In either case, monthly or bi-monthly, you receive a paycheck. Now, when you get that paycheck, there are really only four things you can do with it. You can save it, you can invest it, you can spend it, or you can give it away. Well, what if before we did those things, we first put our money in a place that we control completely? Let's call this place our family bank. Then your money is inside your family bank, you earn dividends. You get guaranteed growth for life, and it's private. You control it, and you earn tax-free growth. You can leverage it and put your money to work for you. Your money is protected, and there's zero market volatility, so there's no losses ever. There's also opportunity, and when you have money, opportunity will find you. You can also use the money for investments, or maybe make a big purchase. Your money is also liquid. The way it works is kind of like a mortgage. You make monthly mortgage payments to the bank, and each month a portion goes towards the principal and the rest goes towards the balance. You can build equity, and when you have enough equity to borrow or get a line of credit against that equity, you can then leverage it. The family bank operates much like this, except with much more advantages. For one, with a family bank, you own it, which means you control it always. It's guaranteed to increase, and unlike your house, there is no repayment required. But how can you access such a tool? Well, you may have heard about it before. It's called cash value life insurance. You capitalize your policy with premium payments, and with each premium payment, a large portion goes towards the cash value in your policy. Once it's in there, it's locked in and will never decrease in value. The money is held in a mutually funded life insurance company. Now, what's a mutually funded life insurance company? Simply put, you are a shareholder in that company. As a policy owner, you can access your cash value and take a loan. No questions asked. You can spend that money however you see fit and create your own repayment schedule. Now that's how you control your own wealth. Click below to book a call to learn more today.